If you want to learn how to add an overlay in CapCut PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to import your background clip and overlay file, place it correctly on the timeline, and then resize, reposition, or even use masks to make the effect look clean and professional. This is a super useful editing trick for thumbnails, text effects, reaction clips, picture-in-picture layouts, and any video where you want to layer one visual on top of another. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC and start a new project or open an existing one that you want to edit. Once you're inside the editor, the first thing you need to do is import your media. Bring in your main background video, image, or base clip, and also import the file you want to use as your overlay. This could be another video, a PNG image, a logo, a sticker, or any other visual element you want to layer on top. After your files are imported, drag your main video down to the primary timeline track. This is going to be your base layer, and everything else will sit above it. Now take your overlay file and drag it onto a track directly above your main video. This is the most important step because the overlay has to be placed on a higher track if you want it to appear on top of the background. Once the overlay is on the timeline, you can click on it to select it. At that point, you can use the preview window to resize it, move it around the screen, and place it exactly where you want it. If the overlay is too large, simply drag the corners to make it smaller. If you want it in a different part of the frame, click and reposition it until it fits your layout. You can also fine-tune the timing by trimming the start or end of the overlay clip so it appears only when you need it. If you want a more advanced look, CapCut PC also lets you apply masks to the overlay. Masks are great when you want to hide certain parts of the overlay and blend it more naturally into the background. This is especially helpful for picture-in-picture effects, creative transitions, or when you want the overlay to match the shape of another object on screen. Just select the overlay clip, look for the masking options, and choose the style that works best for your design. From there, you can adjust the size and position again until the final result looks polished. One of the best things about overlays in CapCut PC is that you can use them in so many ways. You can add text overlays for titles, add logo overlays for branding, add video overlays for reaction content, or add graphic overlays to make your edits look more dynamic and engaging. If the overlay doesn't appear properly, double check that it is sitting on the track above the main video and that it hasn't been muted, hidden, or trimmed out of view. Also make sure the timing matches the part of the video where you want the overlay to show up. Once everything looks right, play back your project and preview the overlay in motion. This is the best way to confirm that the placement, size, and timing all look good before exporting. If needed, go back and make any final adjustments so the overlay feels smooth and intentional. And that's how you add an overlay in CapCut PC. Just import your files, place the overlay above your main clip, adjust it in the preview window, and use masks if you want a more advanced effect. Simple, fast, and great for making your videos look more professional. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more CapCut editing tips and step-by-step guides.